All right, wonderful clients. Welcome to this digital school software video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the AI to generate your lesson notes and also to generate CBT questions. So for teachers who want to generate as many questions as possible using the AI feature just added. Okay, so let's go straight. Now, before you use your AI to generate questions and also lesson notes, you must make sure that the questions that are generated are in line with whatever you must have taught. So the first thing you need to do is to scroll down to Lesson Manager. You see Lesson Manager. First, you have to go and make sure you have created all the topics that you want AI to generate questions on. So we come to Lesson Manager, Manage Topics. So let's say first term, let's say JSS1, JSS1A for example. Then we have, let's choose a subject we want to generate, maybe either lesson notes or CBT questions. So we'll start entering the topics. Under computer studies, let's say introduction. Okay, let's say topic computer networking. This is a topic for that class, for example, first term. Second topic, input devices. And let's say, which other topic do I put under computer? Let's say computer programming. For example, computer programming. So these are topics. Remember that in each topics, there are what we call subtopics in the curriculum. So when you click on topics, you see view. By the right hand side, you're going to see all the topics that you have entered here. So in computer networking, for this particular class, what are the subtopics that you taught them? Because computer networking could be in JSS1, could be in JSS2, but the subtopics may differ. So maybe the one in JSS2 may be an advancement from the one in JSS1. So let's say under computer networking, subtopics, we are going to be looking at definitions of computer networking. Click on the plus sign. Let's say types of computer network. So you can add as many subtopics under computer networking. Okay, so you can still come to computer programming and do the same, add subtopics under computer programming. You understand? Let's say Visual Basic Programming, for example. So once you are done, you can actually edit any of the subtopics that you have entered before, or any of the topics. You can actually also delete the topics that you have registered. So let's say we have entered computer networking and other topics and also subtopics. So let's now go to generate questions. So we will go back to assessment manager. Is in the assessment manager, we generate questions. So we'll select secondary. Then we'll come to generate questions. Okay, we'll select the class that we have registered the topics and the subtopics. JSS1A. So CA or assignment, for example, assignment or exam, anything you want to call it, depending on what it is. Then you select that subject. Computer studies, JSS1A, start date, today's date, then end date, let's say tomorrow. Number of questions you want AI to generate, let's say 20 questions. Then duration that the questions will be answered, 20. Access, sequential, okay? Sequential. So duration 20 minutes. Access type. Access is when you want the system to randomize the question, you use random. If you want the questions to be pulling out sequentially, you do that. Then you now select the topics. Let's say computer networking, computer programming. These are topics. Then you must also select the subtopics from where you want AI to generate questions on. So we select all the subtopics because you would not want AI to generate questions outside the topics and the subtopics you have taught your students. Are you getting it now? That's why you must select topics and subtopics. So AI will generate questions only based on these subtopics and these topics. So difficulty level, you can choose basic, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So beginner, AI will use terminologies and languages that are very easy for the students. So and so on. Then you click on generate. Give it 1 minute. The questions will be generated, and you will see. You see it now? AI has generated 20 questions for you. 20. Okay, we selected 10. Okay, 10 questions. Yeah. So you see question 1, what is computer network? Definitions, question, and it will even put the answer. Which of the following? So you see different types of questions AI has generated for you. So if you want the student to see it from their own end and answer it, you now click on create assessment. Automatically this question will enter as an assessment for the student. So when the student log in from their own end, they will be able to see it as the case may be. So you see the question here. They will see 10 questions that have been given to them by AI. Look at it, question 1 of 10. They can now start answering them as the case may be. Start answering them. So that is how to use AI to generate your questions. So for teachers who may not have all the strength to begin to type questions, AI can generate questions for you. Okay, that's powerful for digital school software. Okay, finally, you can also use AI to see how to generate your lesson notes. So having entered the topics, you come down to lesson manager. Under lesson manager, you will see generate lesson notes. You do all these settings first also. First, put the class, put the subclass, put the top subject, put the subtopics for that subject. Get the point? Learner's age, let's say you put the age. Duration, let's say 12 minutes. Learning objective, you just type what are the learning objective. You understand? Teachers will understand better because of time. What are the 3 things you want? Prerequisite knowledge, you put it. Instructional material, you put. Then you now do what? Ask AI to generate a note for you. So automatically down here, AI will generate based on all these things that you have put. You see the note here. Wide area network, blah, blah, blah. Are you seeing it? So the note has been generated for you by AI. So you can easily click on save note to save the note, or you can click on edit note to enable you edit the notes or add whatever you want to add. This is so powerful. When you are done, you save the notes. So the note will be saved automatically on the student's side. So this is how to use the AI to generate your lesson note, to generate questions for you. I hope this helps you make your work very, very easy. Thank you.